Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is second part of video lecture for class 8, Geography. Chapter's name is Agriculture. Students, today we will study types of farming. Students, depending upon climate, levels of technology, labor and demand of produce, topography, soil, farming can be categorized into two categories: subsistence farming and commercial farming. First, we will study about subsistence farming. Students, this farming requires very low input, and this is practiced over a small area. Means this is practiced to fulfill their own need. Now, subsistence farming is further divided into two categories: intensive subsistence farming and primitive subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming, in this farming, small machines are used. Fertilizers are used, and they plow the land by tractors, etc. Primitive subsistence farming include shifting cultivation and herding. Shifting cultivation. Students, shifting cultivation is practiced in thickly forested areas such as Amazon basin, tropical Africa, Northeast Asia, and Northeast India. In this farming is also known as slash and burn farming. In this farming, farmer cut the trees, they burn them and mix the ashes into the soil to make or to increase fertility of soil. And after, when fertility of soil is exhausted, they simply move to the another place. That's why this is called shifting cultivation. This shifting cultivation is known by different names in different parts of the world. Now, hoarding. Students, the places where agriculture is not possible means in arid region or semi-arid region. For example, Rajasthan and Jammu Kashmir in India, Sahara Desert, Africa. In these places, hoarding is practiced. Hoarders used to move always from one place to another place in search of new pasture land. In Jammu and Kashmir or in Himachal Pradesh, they move upward in the mountain during summer season and they come to the plain during winter season. Because in upper part of mountains there is snow in winter season. Students, hoarders rear sheep, yak, camel and goats. And these animals provide them milk, meat, wools, hides, etc. Now come to the commercial farming. Students, name suggests that commercial farming relating to economy, relating to commerce. This farming include large machineries, large inputs, large amount of fertilizers, etc. And this farming is practiced over large area. Commercial farming include commercial grain farming, mixed farming and plantation agriculture. Student, commercial grain farming. This farming is practiced in USA, Europe, where population is very sparse. This farming is practiced in temperate zone, where land, very big plots are present and very few populations are there. They produce mainly wheat and maize. As temperature is very severe here, so they grow only one crop in one season. Student, mixed farming means agriculture as well as animal rearing. At the same time, they practice two jobs. This is called mixed farming. This is practiced in Europe, USA, Argentina, Australia, etc. Now, plantation agriculture. Single crop is taken in this agriculture. For example, sugarcane, tea, coffee, jute, rubber. These are produced in plantation agriculture. This requires large number of labor, large inputs and large plots. They normally process their produce at the farm or nearby factories. To practice plantation agriculture, very good transportation facilities must be there so that they carry their produce easily to the factories. Rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka is very good example of plantation agriculture. That's all. Have a nice day.